Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And you want to search out some words and transcribe. It can help to improve our memories, okay? The first one here is cold. And this one is hot. This one is smooth. This one is rough. This one is good. And this is bad. Alright. Alright, let's go. Cold. Hot. Smooth. Rough. Good. Bad. Cold. Hot. Smooth. Rough. Good. Bad. Can you say it after me? Cold. Hot. Smooth. Rough. Good. Bad. And you want to sound your TH correctly. That's smooth. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.